So, Mina, today we've talked about a lot of things. I always want you to pick some of the goals for yourself to be healthy. So, do you have any goals to try to be healthier?
Sleeping and staying active, and probably like eating healthier.
I love it. That's really good. And you also have braces since you were here last time I saw you. That does increase your chances of getting cavities. Would you mind if we talk about cavities a little bit?
No, I don't.
Okay, what do you know about cavities?
I know that like they cause your tooth to like break down and it's really bad for you.
Yeah, it's the most common condition, but it's preventable, and our teeth are super duper important.
Mm-hmm.
So now that you're a teenager, you have permanent teeth. We want to keep those healthy for the rest of your life. So can I ask you some questions about how you take care of your teeth?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how do you take care of your teeth?
I make sure I brush twice a day, and I try to floss as much as I can and use mouthwash.
Great. And anything special you're doing now that you've got braces?
Just making sure I floss and brush more carefully around them because I know food can get stuck in them.
Yeah, good for you. Have you ever seen some of those braces toothbrushes that can help you get food from the corners and around the braces?
Yeah, my orthodontist gave them to me, but I don't use them much.
Why don't you use them?
I don't have much time, and it's just one thing I can just skip on.
Yeah. Braces do hold and capture food, and that does increase your chances of getting cavities. So is there anything that you think you might be able to do to get yourself to do it more often, use those cleaning brushes?
Probably just like thinking about it more often and getting more of those because I think they're easier than using actual floss.
Okay, where would you get them?
Probably like either online or I don't know.
I'll work with your mom and we can talk about ways that you can get them so you have some at home. Would
Okay,
that be
yeah,
helpful?
that sounds perfect. I feel like that'd be really helpful.
Great. And what about sugars?
I do drink a lot of soda, so maybe I could cut back on that.
Okay, that's good. How many sodas do you drink a day now?
Probably like one every like 2 days or almost every day.
Okay, what would be a healthier goal for you?
Probably drinking more water or like even juice because that I like more.
Water's for sure the best option. Juice still has sugar in it too, so if you drink juice, drink it pretty fast, and then maybe think about brushing your teeth a little bit extra so that you can get those sugars off.
Okay.
Okay. Sometimes doctors just tell patients that they're supposed to brush their teeth twice a day, but it really helps for you to pick your own goals on how to better take care of your health. Do you have any goals specifically about keeping your mouth clean?
Well, now that you talked about it, I think really focusing on like flossing so I don't get cavities and can get all the food out of my teeth.
Okay, I think that's a really good goal, especially now that you've got the braces. So if you think about it on a scale from 1 to 10, where 1 is no confidence, 10 is high confidence,
Probably like a 7 or an 8.
is there anything that we can do, or your mom can do, or your family could do to try to get you up to maybe a level 9?
Well, since I drink like a lot of soda, maybe I can make sure there's like more sugar-free alternatives at my house so that I drink less soda and keep my teeth more healthy.
I know I talk a lot and I know I talk fast. Can you just tell me some of the things we talked about today to make sure that you understand what we talked about?
Yeah, making sure I brush carefully and I drink and focus on drinking less sugar and make sure to keep my teeth just healthy and clean.
Okay, and is there anything you can do to try to remember those goals that we talked about today?
I can probably put a reminder in my phone.
Yeah, do reminders in your phone help?
Yeah.
Would you mind doing that?
Sure.
Yeah.
Perfect, there we go.
Okay, great. And then when you come back and see me next time, I'm going to ask you about those goals. Then we'll see how you're doing.
Yeah, I hope I'll be able to complete them.
Yeah. Wonderful. So we've talked about a lot of things. Do you have any questions for me?
No, that all sounds great.
Okay, it's been super nice to see you, and I'll see you next time.
Nice to see you, thank you.
Yeah, take care.